Welcome students. Today we discuss about the green synthesis of polylactic acid from corn. Now this polylactic acid is one of the most versatile, environment friendly, biodegradable thermoplastic polyester. It is linear and derived from 100% green and renewable sources like corn, and it has a wide range of property like biocompatibility, biodegradability, less toxicity, vast range of mechanical properties, and the ability to be molded into different shapes. And due to this wide range of property, this compound is a very suitable material for applications similar to plastics and more widely in biomedical fields. So the in the in the synthesis of polylactic acid from the corn can be carried out in the following way. First, corn is converted into dextrose. This process is shown in the following graphics. In this process, first corn converted into the corn sugar through a mechanical process that begins with wet milling in water that separate starch as well as other valuable components from the corn kernel. Then the starch is heated with acid or with enzymes or in the presence of both the compound to complete hydrolyze to form dextrose. Then the dextrose is isolated either by crystallization or it used as a liquid concentrate. Then the dextrose is converted into L-lactic acid. In this process, first dextrose undergo glycolysis to form two molecules of pyruvate along with two molecules of NADH and two molecules of ATP, and this process favored by plants, animals, and many microorganisms. Then the pyruvate reduced by the NADH to form L-lactate. This process is also favored by some microorganisms. Then the L-lactic acid is converted into the polylactic acid. As the lactic acid contain both the carboxylic acid group as well as hydroxyl group, this compound has a capability to undergo self condensation to form polyester, but due to economic and performance requirement, a high yield of high molecular weight polymer is required commercially. First, lactic acid is converted into lactide, which is a cyclic diester formed from the two molecules of lactic acid with the loss of two molecules of water. So commercially, polylactic acid is synthesized from the L-lactic acid in the following way. In this process, first L-lactic acid forms oligomer by heating with the loss of water. Then the oligomer is converted into L-lactide by by cracking process in the presence of tin catalyst. Then the L-lactide is removed by the vacuum distillation. Efficient vacuum distillation produces sufficient purity of L-lactide. Then the L-lactide forms the polymer in presence of tin catalyst. It is to be noted that in this process, catalyst type and polymerization condition are controlled carefully so that isomerization at the chiral carbon takes place minimum as much as possible, because the small amount of D-lactate stereoisomer in the PLA causes negative effect on the commercially important polymer properties.